Hey guys, took my 83 wing out this morning and a new sound came up and I was wondering if I could get some help. Just double check the oil here, it's good. So when I was riding, everything was good to go, and then I started noticing the tachometer started making this whining sound. I was wondering if anybody had this one happen before, or if it is just the tachometer. I couldn't see anything else really out of place, but I will start. Yeah, it definitely gets louder when it starts going. But anyway, I'll take a look at this and start troubleshooting it. If anyone has had this one happen before, please let me know. Thanks guys.